the Indian consulate in Vancouver. Seeing of passengers on Air India flight 1190 from Vancouver to Delhi and onwards to Amritsar. It is indeed a very big and historic moment for all of us and for the Indians who have been stranded here. Many of them stranded since March and April, May. They have been writing to the consulate. They have been waiting very patiently to have a flight to go back home. We are very thankful to the Government of India, to the Ministry of Civil Aviation, to all the authorities, the state governments for facilitating this flight, and we are very thankful to Air India for landing here with its aircraft, and we wish everyone a very happy journey tonight. Thank you.
कि हमारी कंट्री ने इतना अच्छा स्टेप उठाया है और इतनी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे वैंकूवर एयरपोर्ट पे हैं एंड हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हैं।
बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि मोदी गवर्नमेंट ने डायरेक्ट फ़्लाइट्स चलाई हैं वैंकूवर से दिल्ली, क्योंकि जितनी भी प्राइवेट एयरलाइंस हैं उन सब ने ऑपरेशन बंद कर दिए हैं और कोई तरीका नहीं था हमारे पास वापस जाने का। सो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई कंट्री एंड माई गवर्नमेंट एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू द कॉन्सुलेट एज वेल।
काफ़ी जल्दी ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया बस की फ्लाइट्स लाइक ऑन टाइम काफ़ी जल्दी ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया एंड इट्स रियली अप्रिशिएट टू द गवर्नमेंट दैट दे एक्चुअली हेल्प अस एंड मेकिंग अस गो बैक होम रियली अर्ली एंड
हमारी फैमिली भी घर पे वेट कर रही है। दे आर ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर अस एंड दे आर रियली हैप्पी लाइक दे वर रियली हैप्पी व्हेन दे गॉट टू नो दैट आवर कंट्री इज अरेंजिंग द स्पेशल फ्लाइट एंड दे आर रियली हैप्पी टू सी अस।
Everything is going in a very orderly and organized manner with proper social distancing, so that's a very good point to add. And at the end, Vande Bharat को हम यही कहना चाहेंगे, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
And I'm grateful to the Vancouver consulate, जी specifically अमरीश जी जिन्होंने he's been present here.
हाँ जी।
मैं approximately 4 o'clock आ गया था यहाँ
जी।
Then he's been taken in. वो थोड़ा सा problem हुई थी, he's getting things sorted out. It is a very good initiative taken by government of India. जी। So let's hope for the best. ठीक ठाक घर पहुँच जाए।
चलिए आपकी हैप्पी जर्नी, सेफ जर्नी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
जी मैं वैंकूवर तो इंडिया जा रही हाँ। एयर इंडिया का बहुत शुक्र करते हैं ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਮੰਨ ਲਈ ਆ। ਅਸੀਂ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ।
Hi everyone, my name is Karan Sharma. So I'm from Simon Fraser University. So fortunately I got a chance to go back to my country, and it's all because of Air India. I would really like to thank whoever has arranged the flight for us, and I'm watching like after every 2 to 3 minutes they are actually announcing to keep a social distance and maintain like the proper healthcare techniques. So basically I'm really glad that I'm one of those people who is able to go to my own country in this crucial time. Thank you Air India for like giving us this opportunity.
It's like a blessing for us because we've been staying alone for a long time and we've been craving to go back to our home to meet our family because our parents are alone and we are alone here. We just wanted to meet and like stay safe in our own country and have that sense of belongingness from our country. Now that we're going back, we feel lucky and we want to thank our government for that, and you're making us unite with our family again. Thank you so much. That's the best thing which we could ever get. So we are really mentally stressed, so because of which, thank you. And so that we actually meet our families and get back with them because of this situation.
I really want to mention one more point. I really want to give a shout out to Mr. Surinder Kumar, who is a consulate general. because like the service is giving us here is like really amazing. So we were like thirsty for last 3 to 4 hours, and he just offered his own staff drinks to us free of cost, and he's even offering us the free food. And I really loved that service. I mean, this is India. This is what India is, and this is what our culture is. And I love that. Thank you.
To be honest, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for all the hard work that our government and Air India, all the people have been doing over the past few days. We know how much work it takes to arrange such airlifts, and we are lucky enough, and we would like to say many thanks to you all people, and especially to the faculty who's here providing us with all the water and all the stuff that is required at the moment. So just thanks a lot for all the time and everything. Jai Bharat.
Thank you.